Hey Pink Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a red cut crease with glitter. Obviously we always have to have glitter. But this video was requested by one of my most closest, and was at least she was kind of like my first subscriber around that time. Is when, when I was barely getting my subscribers, so she's been here for a great while. Some of you already know her, and she requested a red look. Now this red look was a recreation from a picture that I found on Facebook. I seen it on IG, so it's pretty all over the place, but there's no video on it, so I was like, might as well recreate it. I've been wanting to recreate this look. And she also requested a look with, the color red. This look is for her prom. I hope she loves this look, and I hope she, enjoys it. So Sophie, this, is dedicated to you. Thank you so much for reaching out to me, to do a look for prom. I was going to do this look for Valentine's Day, and I totally forgot to do it. Now, I am so sorry, guys. I had to use a jamescharles palette again. I was going to use the 39A, but man, this palette is so good. The only thing of this look, let me just tell you, it is that, as you've seen in the picture on my cell phone, her look is a little bit more deeper on brown. Now, in real life, the brown did look really deep. I should have added a little bit of black into my crease and bring that darker color a little bit more up, but y'all already know I'm still a beginner, so yeah. If you're ever creating this look, go ahead and deepen up your crease a little bit more. But I think it came out great, sorta. I don't know, y'all tell me. But yeah, I just want to come on here really quick. I was not even gonna do a voiceover, but I just want to come up here and tell you what's the deal with this tutorial today. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'll go ahead and see you on the next one, guys.
Breathe you in, I take a hit that I breathe you in. I get high off your energy. I take a hit that I breathe you in.
All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana.